Here, I'm sorry. Here. I just don't get you doing that. Here. Is that so good, Eva? You are making such a mess. You're so silly. What do you do that for? You can make a mess. I'll get it. Hold on. Here. Here, Eva. Look, watch her. Every bite she takes. Here.
Is she doing it with every bite?
Yes. I'm recording her right now.
Is she that hungry?
That's just what she does now. Here. She's done it like every time I've fed her, but she usually doesn't do it this much. Is it so good? Eva, do you love that? Do you love carrots?
Upstairs.
Let's go get apples.
Say, I love carrots.